Safety is extremely important for students to learn. As I think about safety, it's a both and. It's for students and for staff. And so here at Harding University High School, we want to definitely be sure that our students feel safe because we know that it has a direct correlation to the academic environment and learning process for students. And so each day our students will come into the auditorium, this location here, through the Evolv scanners, and that process will be very seamless so that they will then have an opportunity to feel safe on campus after being cleared through this process.
When I first heard about the scanning system, I did think it was going to be an inconvenience because of the amount of time we have to get to class, and I just thought it would have taken up more time.
Our students have said that they want to feel safe, that sense of belonging onto a safe campus, and it has a direct impact on not just our students, but also on our staff.
It helps me to be able to maybe learn better in my classes, knowing that there's an extra kind of blanket or layer of security to the school with students coming in.
It helps me to be more focused in school, and whenever the intercom goes on, I'm not oh no, what's happening? And I'm not constantly checking over my shoulder when there's a commotion.
Again, we don't have to worry about a threat being here, that we can just go to school.
You get a certain reassurance that there are no dangerous weapons on campus. Now that if anything happens, I know that I'm not going to be threatened with any firearms, any knives, any sort of metallic weapon at all. I know that I can focus on school without being in danger.